Now Anustan, okay. Just you can see some of the initial slides. That is basically what about plastic waste. You can say the plastic production. So we move forward on the fast track on that. And what the basically developed by WCPM, we will take some more time on that side. So the one initial that plastic comes from the Greek word plastics, and some basically interesting properties in plastic. These are modelable, flexible, and easily handleable. But negative side is basically environment impact on adversely. The plastic production, these are the basically something basically already seen on that. Okay? China is the basically largest, you can say, the producer. Related to the plastic waste, it's basically, you can say, the packaging industry is one of the major sector that impacts the plastic waste. And this is basically some of the interesting thing, that is the plastic bags, shrink wrap, bubble wrap, stretch film wrap, and something basically the one more thing is the whatever the you can say the maximum utilization of the e-commerce that accelerated basically the packaging sector and the plastic waste. What is the single-use plastic? Mainly single-use plastic is the plastic from the fossil fuel chemicals, and that are basically disposed of just after use. And that the example of plastic bottles, wrappers, etc., straws, etc. So now related to the, you can say, the resistance to environment or loss to environment, you can say the resistance to decomposition, low recycling rate, or you can say the somehow we can say whatever seen that the small particles come to the drain and then the rivers, ocean, and that impact the. One only two lines in that. As a India developing country, more and more basically we related to the trade over takeaway. As you can see, both the family members are on the basically earning side. So the trend is increasing day by day of the takeaway, whether it's snacks, packed food, or grocery or etc. items. Okay? And somehow COVID scenario also accelerated that, since due to the hygienic consciousness. Okay? And you can say these are basically only one major point related to the India is the one of the, you can say, the best recycling rate against the global average of 18%. Now comes to how paper beats plastic. Is basically easily biodegradable, reusable, and recyclable. Okay? And you can say it's basically strong. Okay? Making an incredible versatile material or eco-friendly. Now comes to how paper against plastic in food packaging. Now it's you can say the paper basically as a food packaging. The one major focus is related to the food should be, the quality of the food should not be impacted due to the packaging, and it's basically the paper fulfill all the 3 P's. It's protection, preservation, and presentation. Now comes to the presentation part. It's basically some of the, you can say, the suppliers taken as a packaging for branding. So that is a one media for improving their market share in terms of presentation on the packaging part or presentation part. Now it's common. Now comes to the WCPM approach related to the paper in terms of the food packaging. The WCPM approach related to the PDS cycle, that is plan, do, check, and act. Okay? We take the support or in feed of our customer or our market. Okay? In the do, we do our homework on the lab scale, do lab trials, and that's what is the basically result of the lab scale. We give the output to our customers as well as the market. They take the market feedback on that part, and we do based on we take at the manufacturing side. So that's basically the PDS cycle where as a WCPM will work on that, and it's basically on the continual improvement side. This also works. Now as a WCPM journey, as a WCPM basically contributing sustainable basis to develop the new product, and that are basically partially or 100% replacing the paper product, plastic waste. ठीक है. In terms of the basically on the 2019 we developed the cup stock. ठीक है. And basically started from the journey of 160 GSMs. And then in the between 2009 and 2016 we basically developed this cup stock in different GSMs. In 2016 we started to develop the cup stock bottom, ठीक है, as well as the paper bags. ठीक है. In 2018 we started basically we developed the paper straws. Now continuously on continuous basis we are developing these varieties with you can see the different GSM. Somehow you can see as per market indication the GSM is going down by down. ठीक है. So we are keeping the product properties same as per market requirement. We are developing that products. Now this is the you can say the WCPM product range. ठीक है. First part is related to the cup walls where Vasco Prime, Vasco Base, Vasco Liner, then Vasco Coated Prime. It's basically high-end use for then you can say the paper bags, Vasco Deoperant, then Vasco Straw Base, ठीक है, P coated papers, ठीक है. And this is the you can say the one of the major product is related to the large capacity, that is 350 ml paper cups for. This is the you can say the 100% export variety and related to the cold drinks and beverage. Okay? And now shortly we are basically in the commercial run of paper bags, paper plates. Now you can say in the properties wise when basically some in details related to the when we started the journey in 2009 from developing the paper cup walls. Then you can say the main property related to the stretch, stiffness and bulk, okay? And you can say up to 2023, almost you can say we have improved the properties by 10 to 15%, and that improves the market share of the WCPM as well as the customer satisfaction level. Now come to the paper bags. One you can say the major properties related to the burst factor, okay? And another you can say the wax peak. We basically considered as a wax peak related to the branding. Okay? Since you can say the maximum amount of the paper bags now is being either the solid printing or 4-color printing. So the paper should have the better printing properties. So you can say the keeping in view of that, we have improved the wax peak level from 14 plus to 16 plus. And that improves the basically overall printing properties related to that. Since it's a you can say the paper bags is a very good you can say the initiative related to the branding. So that particularly basically enhances the WCPM image related to the paper bags. Now come to the straw. You can say the as you data seen that. In terms of the stretch, stiffness and bulk, we improve the property almost by 10 to 15%. Okay? And since you can say the as a overall scenario, its volume is low, but you can say it's the market presence in terms of the replacement of single-use plastic. Now as a overall scenario related to that. As a WCPM basically focusing related to the replacement of single-use plastic with the new product, okay? Customer satisfaction, and you can say as a overall market volume, we are manufacturing around 20% of the volume that are partially or 100% replaceable to the single-use plastics. Now on the future part or path forward, it's basically as you see that the paper plates are being shortly taken the run of paper plates. On the barrier coated parts, we on the final stage, already some trials are being taken, okay? And you can say sooner you can say within a short span of time we will finalize that. keeping in view of the market scenario as well as the customer requirement, we are taking the major modification of our board machine, okay? And that basically is further support for the quality improvement. Now as a conclusion side, the paper, we can think of is basically 100% replacement to the plastic, but lot of work to be done in terms of the cost as well as the different products. As a technocrat, it's our responsibility to make the paper as a feasible against the plastic so that we can serve better for the environment, for the industry, as well as for the nation. Thank you.